Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. Today I have a collaboration with Jelly Nails. They were so nice to send me this $100 gift package, and they were also so sweet that they're giving one of you guys a $100 gift package as well. This is a surprise, guys. I don't know what's in here, so we're both gonna find out at the same time. This giveaway is gonna run for 1 week, and I'll leave all of the rules in the description box down below. The way I usually do a giveaway, you guys know that I just do like a random comment, and the randomcommentpicker.com picks the person. But this time, guys, what I would like for you guys to do is just follow me on Instagram, Laura_couture_nails, and I would like for you to follow Jelly Nails also. And I am actually going to have a photo on my Instagram, and I'm gonna want you guys to like screenshot it and post it on your page, post it on your profile basically, and that's how I'm gonna win. So you're gonna put hashtag Laura Couture Jelly Nails. So I'll put the hashtag here, and then I'm gonna pick the person that way. Hopefully that goes well. So if not, we will try it again, but let's just hope that that works, because I've never done it that way before. You guys know I always do the comment picker, but yeah. So I'm gonna put the picture, like I said, on my profile on my Instagram. You guys can just screenshot it and then repost it on your page on Instagram, and just put hashtag Laura Couture Nails Jelly Nails giveaway. Well, I'll just put all the rules in the description box. I don't want anybody to get confused, so it'll make it as basic as I can, you guys. But it is going to be hashtag Laura Couture Nails Jelly Nails giveaway. It's a pretty long hashtag, but that's what it's gonna be. And I'm just gonna go onto the hashtag, and I'm gonna randomly pick somebody like that, and that's how you're gonna win. So I cannot wait to see what's inside. I hope I made everything very clear, and if it wasn't very clear, I will just leave the rules in the description box down below, like I said, and I'll also leave their website as well as their Instagram in the description box down below. So let's get started, you guys. So I'm gonna just move it to the side because I don't want it to get in the way. I don't know, what should I do? Yeah, I'll just leave it right there. Okay, so first thing we got is this. What is this? Ooh, wow, that is so pretty, you guys. I don't even want to open it, it's so pretty. Okay, so it looks like a wax pencil, and the little other tool that you use to apply stones. Oh my, I always wanted one of these, you guys, and it might sound weird, but I've never had one of these wax pencils. I usually use this one from eBay. This one's so pretty, and it's in a pretty case, and it says Jelly Nails. That is so cute. Wow. Oh my goodness, I'm like in shock. This packaging is really cute. This is very fancy, and it's very heavy. Okay, I'm pretty sure it's wax. It feels a little different than my wax pencil. This is cute, and it's black. Very, very cute. I'm already like excited. I'm way too excited. That is so cute. I've never heard of them before, but I'm glad they contacted me, because now I know about them. That is really cute. Oh wow. Okay, next. Okay, let's see. Ooh, okay. So these are good for like chrome. I have a lot of chrome, so this is gonna help out with that. This will probably help out with other things, but I just can't keep in mind what else these things are used for. I know that I used to want these for the chrome to see if they worked well. If you guys know what else I could use this for, please comment down below, because for some reason I can't think of that right now. But this is my favorite color. I love this color, you guys. It's like my birthstone color. Wow, this is cute, and it comes in 3s. Okay, it's a 3 set of these.
Perfect.
So pretty. And I forgot what they're called. Wow, I love that. Okay, great start already. Oh wow, look at that. That is so cute. It says, oh my goodness, it's like this lady, she knows me. Because I love Jesus. Jesus. Yeah, you guys, this is cute. And this is very cute. I always wanted one of these. I tried to print some on my Cricut machine. It worked fine, but these are really cute because they're very small and they'll fit on a note really nicely. That is so cute. What is this? Ooh! Wow! What is this? This one's an LV. LV charm. 2 LV charms. And 2. These look like the Gucci ones. I mean, of course, I know they're not Gucci, but that's what it looks like. That is so cute! I love them. So cute, guys. Look at that. All right. Next. Wow. Their packaging is very cute. Oh, wow. This is foil adhesive gel. Oh, you could never have enough of that. I'm scared to open this. Their packaging is, everything about their like products is so cute. I'm scared to like ruin something. Like I don't even want to ruin their product. Look at their packaging, sorry. Look at this packaging. No. Very cute. This is a big bottle and it is so aesthetically pleasing to look at. I'm so glad she sent me this. I love having little cute things like this at my nail table. And sorry that there's noise outside, you guys. I think my brother's mowing the lawn. Anyway, but yeah, that is so cute and it's holographic. It just says foil adhesive gel, UV LED, so that's awesome. I'm telling you, this packaging is so cute. Look at that, the glitter dripping down. So my brother's over there doing the lawn thing, so I told him give me 10 minutes so I can finish. Okay, so we have a gem adhesive gel. Fascinating. Never tried anything like this. This is cute. Jelly nails gem glue. Let me see. Wow, I can't wait to try this out. I've never tried anything like this. I think I've told you guys before that I've always just used Mia Secret to apply stones, and before that it was just nail glue. So I've never tried it with gel, so I can't wait to try that. Once again, beautiful packaging. I don't think I can compare anything to their packaging. It's really cute. Okay, so we got some stones. These are like copper color stones. Let's see what else. Oh, I always wanted these. The like the gold stones. Wow, I get to have these. Yay, thank you so much, Jelly Nails. You guys don't know how happy I am. I feel like I've never gotten such an amazing PR package, you guys. This is amazing, and I can't believe they're giving one away to you guys. That's awesome. Oh my. You guys, no way. No. I know I'm exaggerating right now, but like, I'm so excited for this. These are Chanel little glitters, you guys. Oh, look at that. That is so cute. Did they have that on here? They did, look. See, this is their, I didn't even see that. Oh, this one doesn't, but this one does. Follow me, Jelly Nails 1 for more discounts. Thank you. So at Jelly, this is their Instagram, you guys, at Jelly Nails 1. It says it here 2. Oh my goodness. And they're like full. They're like very full. And there's like, let's see, 12 colors. Literally every color you could think of. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to do something with these. Thank you so much. I'm so excited. excited. Oh no, it's getting better. It's getting better, you guys. I don't think I've ever been this excited for a PR package. So excuse me if I'm being annoying, but I'm really excited because I've been wanting these. Okay, jelly. That's cute. I want to open it. Oh my goodness! I started getting tired of my my foils that I had, and I always order stuff on Amazon because it's easier for me just to order and get here quicker. And they do not have the the big brand like Louis Vuitton Supreme. What else is there? Versace, Chanel, Gucci, and stuff like that. Yo, I'm so excited. Look at this one. Look at this Gucci one. That is so cute. These are so adorable. Wow, they got a nice website. Okay, they got a lot on their website then. This is so cute. I can't get over it. So that's one. There's two more things, you guys. And then, okay, and this is the other one I really, really wanted. Let's open it. And they literally, you guys, I was about to order them, and I remembered that they sent me this package, right? And I was like, should I just wait to see if maybe they got that it's in this box? And I'm glad I waited because I cannot believe. See how good God is, you guys. God knows when you need something, he finds a way. He finds a way, okay? So thank you so much, Jelly Nails. I'm so happy, and you literally made my whole month. Because I'm going back to doing nails because I had to take some time off. I don't know if you guys know that because my son and, you know, Corona and him not going to school. But he's going back to school in November. On top of that, I had the cosmetic line that I'm working on. So I'm just glad that I have all these goodies for my clients when they come back. They're going to be so excited. Oh, my goodness. Look at this. Oh, my. Gucci, Louis Vuitton. Chanel, Dior, more Louis Vuitton, more Chanel. Okay, so cute. Chanel, so pretty. And some of them are clear. I love that. So excited. And then there's one more thing, you guys. Wow, look at that. These are so cute. Oh wow, yeah. See, okay, so like I said, you guys, I was getting really bored of the other foils that I had because I've been, you know, you have the same stuff, and then I feel like your clients get bored and they'll be like, well, I want something new, so now we got something new for them. This is so cute. You can incorporate all this stuff in so many different ways. And what I like about these is like they're different. I've never seen these. These are new, I think. I've never seen these foil ones because I usually see the same ones over and over. Wow, I love all this. Oh, the train's passing by. Today's one of those days where they just want to make noise all day. Well, you guys, this is a lot of stuff. Let me like zoom it so you guys zoom it out so you guys can see all the stuff that one of you guys is gonna get. Lucky one of you. All of this cute little, I can't wait to use this. It's gonna look so cute in videos. I can't seem to find a way to close it back. Maybe I just put it on wrong. Oh, that's the problem. Okay. Okay. Yo, you guys, I'm being so annoying, but what? That's a lot of stuff. I'm so appreciative right now. God is good. And so is Jelly Nails. Thank you so much. Sometimes I'm telling you, Amazon doesn't have everything. They have a lot, but not everything. And I like these big chunkier ones because I have the gold ones in my collection, but I don't have the bigger ones. And these look so cute in nail art. But that is all, you guys. My daughter is already crying. She wants me. Okay, I have to go because she's crying. I'm done. I literally just did this for 15. Oh, it's 18 minutes now. She's in the crib, don't worry, you guys. But yeah, so just follow the rules. So for somebody to win this, you guys, There's gonna be one winner, and I'm gonna pick the winner in 1 week. Remember, I'm gonna do a post after I upload the video. So when the video goes up, I am gonna take a picture of this. I'll post it up on my Instagram, and you can repost it. Just screenshot it, repost it on your Instagram, and just put hashtag Lorctor Nails. What did I say? Hashtag Lorctor Nails Jelly Nails giveaway. I think that's it. If I said something so totally different, just go into the description and go into the description box, you guys, because that's where you'll find the actual hashtag. But it is hashtag Lorctor Nails Jelly Nails giveaway. So yeah, and don't forget to follow, like I said, Jelly Nails and myself. And until next time, you guys, all of the rules will be, or all the details of the rules, in the description box. Can't say that enough, because I don't want somebody to do this the wrong way and miss the opportunity to win. I was a little annoying today, I'm sorry, but I was actually super excited. I'm not gonna hide my feelings, and I feel super appreciative, you guys. Thank you guys to all of you. If you not have subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe, and thank you for all my notification squad. I'm actually gonna do a notification shout out starting today, because I forgot. I know somebody asked me for it, so I think I'm gonna start doing it. Somebody asked for a notification. Well, not a notification. She was talking to me on Instagram. So let me look her up really quick, you guys. Let's see. Okay, her name on Instagram is nails_on_point. So nails on point. Hi girl, how are you? She's one of my little young fans, and I appreciate her for watching. And good luck, girl, to your nail career journey. We were talking on Instagram. Love you guys so much. I try to talk to you guys as much as I can, and I know I'm rambling, so sorry, but thank you guys so much. Have a great one. Bye.